and today I'm going to try cutting my hair in layers. As you can see, I have super long hair and I want to add some layers to it, so let's see how it turns out. I'm starting by detangling my hair. Make sure you have clean and washed hair. Once it's done, I'm combing all my hair back and I'll make a ponytail right in front of my forehead. Again, I'm detangling my hair to make sure there is no knots in the hair. Now securing with the hair tie. As my hair is long, I'm using a couple of hair tie to secure it. Now I'm going to cut right below the hair tie. Then I just go and point cut very little amount. So the first step is done. If you guys want, you can stop at this point because this should already give you some layers. I want to get some more layers, so I'm going to go ahead and cut some more. Now I will take another section right above the ear and make a ponytail just like before. Sectioning and securing with the hair tie. And point cutting just a little amount of the hair. Next step, I'm going to section the temple of my hair and again making a ponytail in front of my forehead just like before and repeating the same process. To add more layers, I'm going to take another section again and again repeat the same process. Here I'm sectioning my hair in the middle part and I'm taking a small section of my bangs. I want my front section to be a bit short, so I'm going to cut it just like that. Here we go. So this is how it turned out. I think it turned out beautiful. What do you guys think? I did the overnight heatless curls to style it and this is how it looks. I'm proud of myself. I absolutely loved it. I don't really see the difference in the length of my hair, but it definitely feels a bit thinner. So if you're thinking about doing this haircut, I would recommend you to do it. You won't regret it. It's super easy and you can save a lot of money doing it. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this video was helpful for you guys. Please like and subscribe for more and I'll see you guys in the next one.